Design a DFA to accept strings of A's and B's end with AAB over the input symbol A, B. Let's write down the language. Within the language, what is the minimum string? Here, all the strings that are end with AAB, it need to accept. Here, AAB is the minimum string. AAB is the minimum string. What are the different possibilities? Now write down AB, double AB, AA, AAB, like this. Any combinations of ABs, at last AAB. Okay. So all the combination of A's and B's initially, finally AAB it need to end. So these are the different possible strings within the given language. Now we will try to construct DFA for this one. Here minimum string is AAB, it contains 3 characters. So we will take 4 states to accept minimum string. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Initially, Q0 is a initial state, Q3 is a final state. Q0 on A, it will go to Q1 state. Q1 on A, it will go to Q2 state. Q2 on B, it will go to Q3 state. Okay, minimum string is accepted. Now define the transitions on each and every state. Q0 on A already we defined. Q0 on B, what it need to happen. So before getting this one, any combination of A's and B's is accepted. So Q0 and B, it will reside within the same state. I don't bother what is the string before AAB. Okay. Now Q0, over the Q0, we defined all the transitions. Now we will define transitions on Q1. Q1 on A, it is moving to Q2 state. Q1 on B, we need to define. After getting the first A, if you get B, what we need to do? Again, we require AAB. Okay, let's see this example. First, we got A, so it reached to the Q1 state. Then we got B. Then we got B. After getting the B, again we require AAB. Why means all the strings that are ending with AAB need to accept. So again, to accept AAB, we will come back to Q0 state. Q1 on B, we will come back to Q0 state. Okay, over the Q1 also we define the transitions. Now we will define transitions on Q2. After getting A, Q2 on A, if you get A here, what we need to do? Let's see the example. Full AB. Q0 on A, it is moving to Q1. Q1 on A, it is moving to Q2. Q2 on A, what it need to do? It will come back to Q1 state. It will come back to Q1 state. Already one A is there within the AA, so it need to accept one more A. Okay, so Q2 on A, it will come back to Q1 state. Okay, now Q2 on B already we define. Now Q3 on B. Q3 on B. Let's take the other example. A, B, B, A, B. So this is a valid string. Here Q0 on A, it is moving to Q1, Q1 on A, Q2, Q2 on B, Q3, Q3 on B. What we need to do? So after getting this B, again it need to accept AAB, then only it is valid, otherwise it is not a valid string. So Q3 on B, it will come back to Q0 state. Next, Q3 on A, what it need to do? Let's take the example. After getting the AAB, if you get A, so to make the string as a valid, we require AB once again. Okay, so we will come back to Q1 state. So from the Q1 state, we are accepting AB. So Q3 on A, we will come back to Q1 state. Now we define all the transitions. Let's write down the transition table. Let's write down the transition table. Here Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 are the states. A and B are the input symbols. Q0 on A, it is moving to Q1 state. Q0 on B, it will resides within the same state. Q1 on A, it is moving to Q2 state. Q2 on B, Q1 on B, it will come back to Q0 state. Q2 on A, it will come back to Q1 state. Q2 on B, it is going to Q3 state. Q3 on A, it is moving to Q1 state. Q3 on B, it is moving to Q0 state. This is a transition table for this one. Next, let's validate the given automata, designed automata by supplying the different inputs. A, B is a input. Q0 on A, Q1, Q1 on A, Q2, Q2 on B, it is accepted. Let's take another input. Double A, double AB, again AB, AAB. So finally it is ending with AAB. Let's check whether it is accept or reject. Q0 on A, Q1, Q1 on A, Q2, Q2 on A, Q1, Q1 on A, Q2, Q2 on B. So up to here, let's see 4A's B, ending with AAB. It is accepted up to 4A's and B. Then again some string is there. Q3 on A, come back to Q1. Q1 on B, come back to Q0. Q0 on A, Q1, Q1 on A, Q2, Q2 on B, Q3. So given string is accepted. Let's take the one more input string. A, B, B, A, B. Else A, B, A, B. Let's check it. Q0 on A, Q1, Q1 on A, Q2, Q2 on B, Q3. So up to here it is ending with AAB. But Q3 on A, Q1, Q1 on B, Q0. It is not accepted. So this string is not valid for given language. This is a DFA recognize all the strings that are ending with AAB.